What's new, crew? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Cassandra. Today I'm bringing you guys along and we are making homemade, non-toxic, all natural, very clean laundry detergent. Great for on a budget. I'm going to bring you guys through step by step how we did this. We made 2 laundry detergents, one unscented and one lavender scented. That's what we like to use for all of our bedding and our towels and things like that. So I want to show you guys how you can still get your scented, yummy smelling laundry detergents, your unstoppables, all those things, your scent boosters, but getting it in a lot cleaner and actually probably saving you money. These unstoppables are not cheap. I love them. I've used them for years and years and years, but I want to show you how you can get the unstoppable smell, the same feel, but a lot cleaner. So let's go ahead and hop in. I'll show you guys how we made these, and I will have all of whatever I can linked down below for you guys material wise that you guys are going to need, so that you can make these too, or you're wondering what I got, where I purchased it, and things like that. I did get these jars from TJ Maxx. I'm going to see if I can find something similar to link down below, but they were really cheap at TJ Maxx. I paid $10 a piece for them, so $20 for the 2. I got these last year from TJ Maxx. No idea if they're still there, but they're awesome. But that is where I got these. So if I can find something similar, I'll link it down below. For the actual laundry detergent itself, we are starting with 4 cups of boiling water. To our boiling water, we are going to be adding half a cup of washing soda. To make washing soda, all you have to do is take baking soda and bake it in the oven at a low temperature for probably 30 minutes or so. You just want to cook out any like liquid or water in your baking soda, and that makes it washing soda. So please do not go out and buy it. It is the easiest thing in the world to make. So you're going to add that half cup of washing soda, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I added all of that into just my little measuring cup there and slowly added everything in all at once. Once it was dissolved, you're adding that to your container and letting it cool. I'm making a double batch today, so I went ahead and started doing my second batch right away. I got my water nice and hot. Right before it started to boil is when I decided to add in all of my baking soda, my washing soda, and my salt. I whisked that in, just helped it dissolve a little bit, and then I let it sit up on the stove and continue to boil just for a couple of minutes while everything was added to it, and let that kind of do its thing. I did add this in increments a little bit at a time, so that's what you're seeing here. And then just going ahead and continuing to mix it. This took probably 10 minutes of my total time from start to finish of me actually being active in the kitchen doing something with it. Most of the time was letting it cool or letting it boil or something like that. So this was super easy. Obviously you can see here I did it with Cleo on my hip, so easy to do with one hand, and you only have to do this once, and this laundry detergent is going to last you a couple of months. Remember, we are a household of 6. I've got a lot of little kids and we're doing a lot of laundry, so if this lasts me a while, it'll last you a while. Always trying to make the most of my time in the kitchen, so while I was letting that boil for a little bit, I went ahead and was taking care of my sourdough starter. I'm still very new to my sourdough starter. I've only been doing it since the end of the year, so I went ahead and discarded and fed and just took care of that while I was in the kitchen waiting for my stuff to boil and or cool. So once I got my sourdough fed and taken care of, I put all of that stuff away, put my sourdough back up on the counter, and went back to add 12 cups of water to each batch of my laundry detergent here. Seeing how much water goes in laundry detergent is really making me wonder why I haven't started making my own laundry detergent sooner, because you're only adding in 1 cup of Castile soap. 1 cup, you guys, versus what, 16 cups of water? That's insane. So here's my 1 cup of Castile soap. This is my non-scented stuff. I can have this linked down below for you guys. It's pretty cheap. It's $26 for a half gallon. But you're only using a cup at a time for your laundry detergent. So this is going to last forever. My second batch of laundry detergent there, I put in 1 cup of lavender scented Castile soap. That is going to give us those lavender scent beads, unstoppables that we've been purchasing for all of our comforters, our sheets, and things like that. We love them. We're not willing to give that up. So the 1 cup of lavender castle soap is going to last a while in our laundry detergent. Because I'm making 2 separate batches, I'm making sure that I'm mixing my unscented stuff first and then going into my lavender stuff. That way I'm not getting my lavender castle soap in my unscented stuff and getting everything being a lavender soap. But you can use whatever kind of castle soap you want. They have so many different scents, so please pick one that makes you happy. We're doing unscented and lavender because those make me happy. I'm just closing my jars up here now that they're completely cooled and adding them to my laundry room for future use. I'm just going to leave these here. There's a little shelf here that my husband built for me, so this doesn't rock, it doesn't shake, so I'm not worried about these tipping or dumping over. I'm sure I was going to get questions about that, so I wanted to address it right away. I'm very excited to use these. I have a ton of laundry to get done, but I'm actually going to go ahead and just let these sit probably until tomorrow. Just let everything settle, and then tomorrow I will start on catching up on laundry, or maybe later today. I just want to give these times to sit and kind of finish doing whatever they have to do. It doesn't say that you have to let it sit or settle or anything like that, but I'm going to just for my own peace of mind, I guess. But I'm very excited about these. This is my non-scented. This is my scented. I am going to maybe put a label on it or a sticker on the top or something. That way if my husband's in here, he knows which is which. I'm going to use the unscented for our regular clothes, but I should say we as a family love these lavender unstoppables for our bed sheets. I wash bedding once a week and we love having that fresh sleep in the bed with like this lavender scent boosters. It's so good. So I wanted to still have that. That's why I did one with lavender castle soap, so that we can still have that on like our towels and all of our bedding and stuff. We love it so much. I didn't want to give that up. So that's why we did it this way. And I think it's pretty cool that you can switch out things like your Unstoppables cleaning products that you absolutely love, but making them a lot cleaner. And this was not hard to do. I did this with Cleo on me pretty much the entire time. It was super easy, super simple. It did not take a lot of time. And these are gonna last a very long time. So it does say to give them a little bit of a shake before you use it. So when I come in here to do my laundry, I'll probably just rock it back and forth a little bit like this, shake it up just a little bit, and then I'm probably just gonna use my same scoopers. Just scoop it in, grab a scoopful, and pour it in the washer where you would your regular detergent. So I'm gonna keep my little things here, and I'm really excited about that. I am gonna finish using these up. I only have a couple loads left anyways, but I had to get these done because I ran out of my regular detergent mixture that I do. So it was a good timing. I'm really excited about it. I have a lot of other cleaning I'm doing today, and I'm using my new cleaners. I'm very excited about it, and I can't wait to see how everything's gonna smell. I'm really excited for in a couple of hours when all the cleaning's done, and after I've scrubbed the floors and wiped the counters and done all that stuff with my new homemade cleaning solutions with those soaps. I'm interested to see what my husband says and what my older girls say when they come in and they smell. You know when you walk into a house and it's freshly cleaned, you can smell the product. I'm interested to see if they're going to say anything at all and what they do say when they come in, how it smells. So I'm gonna go make my homemade cleaning sprays. That's gonna be really quick, and I'm really excited to get those done. I think I decided on eucalyptus because it just smells so good. And then I'm going to use lavender spray in the bedrooms. So we're gonna go make those and get to cleaning, finishing off some things off my list. I gotta make pizza crust for Friday pizza night, so lots of things happening, but I wanted to bring you guys along to make the homemade laundry soaps. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day. I cannot wait to update you guys on these. Make sure you stay tuned for that video, and of course I will catch you guys in another one. Bye.